Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbal. In this chapter, we will discuss some more methods related to set. In the previous two chapters, we have discussed many of the concepts which are related to set. This is a continuation of the previous two chapters which are related to sets. So, we will discuss copy, isdisjoint, issubset, issuperset, difference update, intersection update, symmetric difference update. These methods one by one. So let me create one set called S1 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if I want to use a copy method, so I will create S2 equal to S1 dot copy. So if I print S2 and here let me print S1 as well, both will be displaying the same value and their memory location will be different. For example, if I print ID of S1 and here let me print ID of S2, so their memory location is different. It means the same items are copied to another memory location using copy method. Now we have two sets, S1 and S2. If I say S1 is disjoint of S2, it means it will return false because both the sets are having same items. Even if one item is having a same value even if one items are same in both the set, it will return false. For example, let me draw a picture here. For example, this is a set 1, let us say set 1 and here set 2. If none of the items in set 1 and set 2 are same, then it will return a true isdisjoint function. I run this now, it will return false. So it need to store the result in some variable res1. So if I print res1, it will return false because both S1 and S2 are having the same values. It will return false. So let me create one more set, S3 equal to 10, let us say 100, 200, 300 and S4 equal to 300, 400, 500. If I S3 disjoint of S4, this will also return false. res1 equal to, because 300 is common in both the sets. 300 is common in both the sets, S3 and S4. So it will return false again. False. Suppose if I remove 300 here, it will return true. It will return true because both are having a different, none of the items in set 1 and set 2 are same. Then it will return true, else it will return false. So let us understand about the next method, issubset. So for example, if I say S3 dot isubset S4, it will return false. Let us store the result in res2 equal to print res2, it will return false because it is not a subset. It means, let me say here one value, say S1 is there, and if S2, all the items in S2 are all the items of S2 should be present in S1, then S1 issubset of S2 will return true. For example, let me create one more. Let us say S5 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. S6 equal to 10, 40. All the items of S6 are present in S5. So if I say RS3 equal to S5 is subset of S6, print RS3. So if I say S6 is subset of S5, if I say S6 is it a subset of S5? Yes, then it will return a true. It will return true because all the items of S6 are present in S5. S6 is subset of S5. It will return true because all the items 10 and 40 are present in S1 as well. Even if one item, say let me add 50 here, then it will return a false because 50 is not present. Say here it will return false. If I remove 50, 10 and 40 are present in S5. S6 is a subset of S5. It will be true. So we have understood that yes, subset means all the items should be present within the, say in this case here what, S5 is this one and S6 is this one. S6, all the items of S6 are present in S5. So it means we can also say other way, S2 is superset of S5 will be true. If I write here RES4 equal to S2 is superset of S5. If I print RES4, it will return true again because superset S2 is a superset of S5. Sorry, here I can say S6 is a superset of S5. It will return S5 is a superset of S6. It will return true. If I say RS4 equal to S5 is superset of S6, it means S5 contains all the items of S6 and it may also contain some additional items. Here S5 contains all the items of S6 and it may also contain some more additional values. So it is a superset, it will return true. One more function called difference update. It will modify the original item. The difference between difference and difference update is that difference update updates the original set. Here it will find out x1 difference of x difference y, means items which are present in x, that is 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, and but not present in y, means 3 is present here also. So 1 and 2 are present in x1 but not present in y. So it will keep 1 and 2, that is a difference, and it will remove 3 from original set itself. It will not give a new set, but it will update the original set itself. This is a difference. But in case of difference, if it is a difference, it will give another result. For example, x difference y. Here you need to print a result separately. Here you need to print a result which is a separate set. But here in this case, it is updating the x original set itself. Both are giving the same result, but this is a new set which is created. Here the original set is got modified. Here it's a difference update. So next one is intersection update. Intersection update, we have understood intersection means items which are present in both the set. 3 is an item which is present in both the set. If I say x intersection update of y means if I print x here, it will only display 3. Original set itself is getting updated. If you run here, sorry, so I need to recreate these two sets again because it is getting modified in the previous this one itself. So if I run this again, so it will only display 3 because 3 is present in both the this one, and original set x is getting modified to remove these two, and so this is how intersection update will work. And we have one more method, symmetric difference update. We know that let me create this x and y two sets again. We know symmetric difference means items which are not common to both will be between. It means 1, 2 and 4, 5 are not common. So if I say x symmetric difference update of y, it means x should have 1, 2 and 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2 and 4, 5. So the difference between symmetric difference and symmetric difference update is symmetric difference update will update the original set, whereas symmetric difference will find out the symmetric difference and give a result in a different set that we need to print. Similarly, intersection also. Intersection means items which are common to both, which will be provided by the intersection method. Intersection update, what it will do, it will update that result in the original set itself. It will not give another new set, but in the original set the result will be updated. So this is the difference between intersection and intersection update, and also symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. And this is also similarly difference and difference update. Difference means x minus y, here what it will give, present in x but not in y, that is 1 and 2. So if I x difference y, the result will be given in different variable, but if I put here x difference update of y, the result will get updated to original x itself, so that we can print. So that's the difference. So we have understood these seven methods. Copy means it will copy the given set to the new set, and both will have a different memory location. Isdisjoint, it means if two sets are having completely different items, even a single item is not same in two sets, then it will return true, else it will return false. Issubset means if a set 2 contains items which are all present in S1, items of set 2 are present in S2. If all the items are of S2 are present in S1, then S2 is called subset of S1. And superset is opposite of subset. It means items of S2 are present in S1, and S1 may contain more items other than items that are present in S2, then S1 is called superset of S2. And difference update, we have understood difference update and difference update means it will find the difference between the two sets and update the result in the given original set itself. That is the difference between difference and difference update method. Similarly, intersection is items which are common in both the sets. Intersection update, what it will do is find the result of the intersection and update that result in the original set itself. And symmetric difference update means items which are not common to both the sets, and it will find that symmetric difference method, and symmetric difference update method will update the original given set itself with the result. So these are the methods we have discussed. If you have any doubts regarding these methods, please comment in the comment section. You can also provide feedback in the comment section. I will try my best to clear the doubt. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you in the next